Hey, what's going on, guys? On this video I'm going to show you how to make money with Pinterest in 2021. It is my exact strategy from picking an affiliate product, how I build the landing page, but more importantly, how I build my affiliate marketing business. So this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money with Pinterest in 2021 without having your own product. So if you are brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Cesar, and on this channel I teach strategies so people can make money online. And you know, I was working as a chemical engineer with an MBA specialized in finance, but I knew I couldn't rely on one source of income. So my main goal on this channel is to give you the strategy so you can build a reliable passive income online. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, guys. Now let me show you my screen. Okay guys, the first thing that we need to do is go to a marketplace and find some products that we can promote, and for that we're going to go to clickbank.com and we're going to click here in the marketplace. So you can see in the screen you have a variety of niches that you can promote. For example, computers, cooking, food and wine, education, employment, games, green products, health and fitnesses. You can select any niche, but for this video we're going to click here in e-business and e-marketing because that is my niche. They make money online. So we are going to find a product, and I like this one, the Perpetual Income 365, and we are going to click here in promote, and we are going to put a tracking ID, for example September Pinterest, and we're going to generate a hub link. We are going to use the Netflix Secrets algorithm hook. So we have now the hub link, and then we are going to go to Pinterest, and Pinterest is like a search engine like Google or YouTube but with images, and we're going to find a keyword, and we're going to put in the search engine how to make money online from home, and you can see Pinterest is telling me that these are the searches for other people. So we can use how to make money from home online jobs, how to make money from home, how to make money from home online jobs, extra cash, website to work, Amazon, jobs, paid, and surveys. We are going to click here, and these are all the pins that other people have created. And for example, if I click in this one, you can see how to become a copywriter, and let me see, these have 2 comments, and here we have the site that these people is promoting. So we're going to go now. The second step is we need to build a landing page because we need to collect the lead. We are not going to send the people direct to the offer. We are going to first collect the leads, so we need to build our affiliate marketing business. We're going to go to GetResponse. We're going to click in create a landing page, and we're going to go to build from scratch. I like this one. We're going to put here Perpetual Income 365 Pinterest. We're going to click here in the next step. So the monster is loading our template, and now we are going to go to, let me find the hub link because I want to copy and paste it here so we can read what is the hook for this product and how ordinary people are manipulating this secret algorithm. This is a great hook. So basically what am I gonna do is we are going to copy this and paste it here. paste, paste. We're going to delete brand logo, I don't have, delete the image. So create your perpetual income account. Create your perpetual income account. And I like the colors, secret, algorithm red. And these letters with the black color. Okay, cool. We have now our landing page, and now we are going to edit the thank you page. We're going to delete this. We're going to delete this. Congratulations. And we need to edit this. Click here so people can go to the offer and the hub link. We're going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, cool. I'm going to increase the size. So we have right now, we have set up our landing page, and when people put their name and their email address, they are going to go to the thank you page and they need to click here. So in order to go to the perpetual income offer. So right now, guys, I'm going to click here in the next step. The thank you page, I return to editor. This is the mobile version for the landing page, and we need to see the mobile version for the thank you page. We're going to decrease a little bit. Okay, cool. So we have set up right now our landing page and thank you page. We're going to click here next step. In perpetual income 365 Pinterest, we're going to put here perpetual income 365 Pinterest or 365. And we're going to choose a list. I have a list for this. I'm not going to add into the cycle, and we're going to put the full thank you page. Okay, cool. Now we're going to publish this. I think it's failed to save the settings because for the name, the 65 Pinterest. Publish. Okay, cool. We're going to click here in order so you can see this is how it looks like, the landing page, and this is how we are going to collect the leads. And this is very important for your affiliate marketing business because you need to be collecting leads, because in the future you can promote other products and give value information to your subscribers. So we're going to close this. We're going to go to Pinterest and we're going to create a pin, and for that we're going to use Canvas. Click here in create a design, Pinterest. We're going to click here in Pinterest pin, and we have here a variety of templates that we can use. And let me see, these are the free ones. These are the free ones, and this one you need to pay. We're going to use this one. This one is free, and we're going to find some images that we can use here. For example, money online. And Black Friday sale. We're going to use this one. Now I'm going to download it, and that picture you see in downloads. And now I'm going to upload that picture to Pinterest. Just a drag and drop technique. In here I'm going to put how to make money online. This is my keyword from home. I'm going to delete this. Let me see, I want to delete this, and the picture the letters are in white. Okay, I'm going to put this one here. And now I'm going to put the letters in black. How to make money online from home. Now let me see if I can add a picture. This one is free. Okay, cool. We have right now our pin, guys, and we are going to download this. Then this is my pin, and we're going to go to Pinterest, drag and drop. We're going to put our keyword. We need to select our board, make money online, how to make money online from home. Okay, cool. Right now I'm going to copy this URL, and I'm going to paste it here, and I can copy this and paste it here. Okay, cool, guys. Right now I have my pin, I have my landing page, and I'm going to publish this here. And this is how you take an affiliate product, build a landing page, so you can collect leads, and Pinterest is going to put that pin when people search for those keywords. So if you have any question below, you can comment, and I will be glad to respond to those questions to help you in your journey. So talk to you soon, guys. Bye.